In this video, you will learn how to roll forward your last year file to current year. So we have this 2019 income tax return. If you click on the year icon, it's a drop menu there, and choose 2020. You will see that we have no file in 2020 here. The only file available for us is 2019. On the right hand side, you'll see there is an open button. There is a drop arrow here, downward arrow. Click this downward arrow and there are multiple options open. Choose the roll forward option and click yes. System is processing your file. And your file is roll forwarded to 2020. Now, is it right or wrong? Click on Files, choose the Year button, click on the arrow, choose 2020, and now we have 2020 file ready to prepare. Click Open and start your data entry for the 2020 tax years.